Hello everybody and welcome to the first video in the MonoGame series for beginners. I'm your host, Dan, and today we're going to start off with the real basics, and that's just setting up your environments, getting ready to install MonoGame, and then I guess we'll move on to stuff like the basics of content pipeline, and then eventually we'll be building the game, but this is really just the boring things, so if you've got experience in MonoGame and understand how to set up your environment, and these probably aren't the videos for you, but otherwise feel free to keep on watching, and yep, we'll go from there. Alright, so the first thing you want to do is head over to the Visual Studio download page, and you can download Visual Studio 2019. The version you want to go for is probably the Community 2019 version. This is the free version. You get trials for professional, and enterprise is ready for organization, so stay away from those for now, unless you want to be an enterprise or a professional. But no, other than that, just download the community version. So once it's downloaded, I go on the desktop here, just double click it. It's fairly straightforward. It's just a case of continue for the most part, and you will eventually get to the infamous Visual Studio installer. So the things you do need for MonoGame development is most likely the .NET desktop development. This allows development with C#, which is the primary language used for MonoGame. So click that one. You got a few other choices as well. So for cross-platform development, you want the .NET Core cross-platform development toolset. This allows you to develop games for Linux, basically using OpenGL and DirectX. Kind of stay away from those details at the moment, it doesn't really matter that much. There's nothing really else you need here for the purposes of the tutorials that I'll be doing, but there's also Universal Windows Platform development and also mobile development as well if you want to do some Android stuff with MonoGame. But yeah, this will not be happening for now, so for now just keep on with the basic .NET desktop development and the .NET Core cross-platform development. So get a lovely 8GB download here. Right, so once Visual Studio is installed, you can open it up. So Visual Studio 2019, open that up. So what we're going to do is we're going to click this Continue Without Code button right now. And this is a very strange message to give me straight away, but let's do not now. So in extensions at the top here, you can click that. You can click Manage Extensions. And online in the Visual Studio Marketplace, you want to search for MonoGame Project Templates. And here we go. So this is the one you want to download. This gives you access to the project templates, obviously, which allows you to set up your projects quicker. So click download here. That's done. You change it to scheduled. You just need to press close here and restart Visual Studio. Click modify. There we go, close. So back in Visual Studio now, if you open up Visual Studio, you can go to create new project, and you should have the MonoGame templates installed, ready for our next tutorial. So thank you for watching. As always, if you like this video, please like, comment and subscribe, and I'll see you all in the next video. Thanks, bye bye.